Hi there everyone, Josiah here with Womprat Creations, and this week's scratch build is a speed build, and it's a model making build, and I mean you're already looking at the finished product right here. This is it. It's based off of this Moebius comic that I'm using as a concept design, although you can see that I kind of took the base structure for the most part and then kind of ran with it. I didn't stick to the concept too closely, but this was a fun build. I learned a lot, and hopefully you guys too. So let's get into it. right, you guys, this is done. It is really yellow. This is, I mean, like I said, I wanted to do something a little different, something a little less Star Wars, not because I'm getting tired of making Star Wars, but it's nice to change it up a little bit every once in a while. And this was definitely a change of pace. While this can simultaneously look like a boat, a RV, and I don't know, a tractor. I don't know. It's something different. It's based off of some artwork from one of my favorite one of my favorite artists to pull concept designs from, and I got to make it really dirty because this is a speed build. It's not something that I was really going for a high amount of fidelity. I kind of just used the concept comic that I was using as a kind of a baseline, and then I just kind of went from there. A lot of these greeblies are not true to the, this whole section right here is not true to the concept design. It's just, I kind of got the base structure from the concept art, and then I just kind of did my own thing. But I mean, I kind of like it. It's something that, again, I need to find some room for here, but I had fun. I feel like I learned a thing or two, namely that yellow is not my favorite color, but that's okay. I did tone it down a bit with the weathering, which I think worked out nicely, and I'm overall pretty pleased with this. So thanks for tuning in for this week's ScratchBuild Speed Build, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Hey there, superstar. You just watched that whole video. I don't know how you did it. I can't listen to me for that long. You deserve something awesome in return for listening to me talk for that long. You can head over to wompratcreations.com and pick yourself up some awesome Womprat merch, just like this Tatooine travel shirt that I'm wearing right now. Looks pretty nice, right? Thanks, guys.
517 to scanner control. 517 to scanner control. 316, report to control. 53 to upper bay door. 53 to upper bay door.